Here, I'm going to be reading in Genesis. Genesis 2. Genesis 2. So God has put Adam into the garden, right? God put Adam into the garden. And it says here, and the Lord God said, it is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a companion who will help him. So the Lord God formed from the soil every kind of animal and bird. He brought them to Adam to see what he would call them. And Adam chose a name